feel like my eating habits aren't the healthiest, obviously, but this is just what works for me at the moment with my current schedule. I'm very busy like during the week, especially on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. Those are the days that I work, and I just go straight after lab, which is at 8 a.m. So if you can imagine, I really don't have time because there's no way I'm gonna get up at like 6 a.m. to make myself a healthy lunch or something. So I normally just throw something random together. So yeah, you will just see throughout the week, but just wanted to put that disclaimer out there. So let's get started. So as I said, already 8 in the morning, but I'm just gonna show y'all my current favorites for snacks. So I freaking love these. These are dark chocolate covered espresso beans. They're from Trader Joe's. Love these. Not the healthiest, but they're so freaking good. If you like mushrooms or truffle, this is the bag of chips for you. Normally I don't eat chips just because like they're so easy to get carried away with, so I try not to get them, but I've been snacking on this lately. So I'm just letting the sauce thicken up a bit, so just let that kind of sit in there. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, so I took a shower, so obviously I'm in a different outfit, but this is my dinner, so we're gonna try it out. So good. I don't know if y'all can tell, but my like rice ratio is like too much. I have a problem. I eat like way too much rice, but like as a kid, that's what my parents gave me, like just a crap ton of rice. So I'm trying to down it, but it's very difficult. I'm really debating for what I want to eat tomorrow for lunch because I have to like pack it early, but I attempted to make honey walnut shrimp last night for the first time ever, and it turned out pretty good. So I think I'm just gonna add some extra rice to that and eat it for lunch tomorrow, so just leftovers. So this is my dessert. It's from Tiny Milk and Cookies, which has the best cookies in the world. They're low-key old though, so it's like rock hard and I'm probably gonna get sick, but worth it. Morning. I am going to make an arepa and smoothie before I go to work, and it is huge. some sesame oil, and this is what I kind of came up with. I just kind of guesstimated, so don't have exacting like measurements or anything. And then I have some frozen broccoli I'm going to heat up and add to it, and there's also shiitake mushrooms in there. Hey y'all, so I just got off of work and then I ate my leftovers from last night, but I also made some steak, which I completely forgot to record, so it's like basically gone, but this is my meal. So as you can see, same noodles from yesterday, some broccoli, and then I made this steak right here. It was just in the like a Vietnamese type of marinade, which I'll list out. As you can see, I got some garlic. It was really simple and quick. That's why I forgot to record, because it took like literally 3 minutes, but that's that. Normally for this marinade, you'd let it sit for like a bit in the fridge, but I honestly was just eating it with this. I didn't need it to be too saucy. I'm just wearing my shirt from yesterday because, you know, the quickest cozy clothes because I was starving. I haven't eaten all day and it's like pretty late. And I still have my canker sore, so it hurts so much to eat. But she was so yummy. Hello everyone, so I'm having literally probably the unhealthiest dinner you could have. I was just really craving cinnamon waffles, I don't know. And this is the best ice cream in the whole wide world. It's basically cookies and cream with cookie dough chunks. Okay, I don't know what the heck is up with me and my sweet tooth tonight, but delicious. This is my like banana sundae type of thing. I don't know. So I'm at school getting ready to work, but I think I'm craving a bagel and I got to work a little early, so I'm gonna go get Einstein's bagels. Look at how empty the campus is. It's so good. Chicken katsu, mac and cheese, and this is a side of cheese katsu. So we are eating at a restaurant with 7 meats, basically in Viet, that's what it's called. Okay, so at this point, you could totally tell that I eat out a lot generally on the weekends, but that's because I go back to my hometown, so I don't really have like my own kitchen to cook in, so that's why I tend to eat out. If not, then I'll just eat the food that my family cooks or just friends or my boyfriend's family. So that's just what I eat on the weekend generally. that's why it gets a little choppy at the end, because I'm not eating in my own kitchen and then I'm eating with people, so I don't want to be recording. But yeah, had some 2 a.m. munchies, and this is from like a super good restaurant. But yeah, I don't know. And I had boba twice this week, but it was so worth it. It's so good. Wow. Oh my gosh, she's bleeding. We're just gonna ignore that. I got a haircut today. But yeah, I'm eating some, it's so hard not to stare, like you're probably staring too. I'm eating some banh mi today. I ate this morning as well, and so I'm eating another one for dinner because it's my favorite. And I got lost this morning and drove like an extra hour that I didn't need to because I'm stupid. But I'm gonna show y'all. Delicious. We're just going to, this morning I ate it in the car, like driving, which is probably not the safest, but I couldn't show y'all. Like, this is like a different kind than I got though. Or I also just made some Earl Grey tea, so that's sitting in the fridge because I like my tea cold. And then those are some veggies for the bread. I swear I normally do not eat like chips this much, but for some reason this week I had it on deck. So crunchy. So I just woke up from a nap, so that's why I seem so freaking dead. But that's it for this. I hope you guys liked this video. Just make sure to let me know if you want any more what I eat in a week like video.